Thompson's out exploring the woods.
Oh, be careful, there's a snake there. Yes! There's a lot of big bugs. Yes! Look how small is Thompson right now. Next time, he will be bigger. So, we need to compile all the videos that we have while he's small, because he's still cute. No. Hi! And Thompson has a soft cheek like a marshmallow. So cute. So baby. Okay, you go now. Come on. He's an active boy. Very active. Sometimes it's hard for me to catch up. And also Dad. But Daddy can catch up sometimes. Come on. He loves to be outside. Thompson loves to be outside to explore the world. Yeah.
That's good.
Good. Maybe he needs a baby brother or sister. Well,
You ready to work on it?
we will think about it. The economy is down right now. It's so hard. You want to?
Quick slide, son, way to go. Back on the road. More things to see and more places to be.
Come on. I'll put you here. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Go up there. Come on. Cheese. Come on now. You want to go up? It's strong. Come on. If you don't want to go, Mommy will. I'm getting old.
Follow Mommy.
Come on, son.
He's coming. Just give him a minute.
Come on. Where are you? Come on. Thompson. Where are you? Yay, Mommy's here. Woo! Come on. No, you step up here. Come on, Nick. Come on.
He doesn't want to go, that's fine.
What are you doing? Are you a chicken? Here, come on. Come on now. Come on. Step up here. Come on. Oh, see, he will go.
He'll get down.
Can you get down?
Only-
You get down there
It's
first.
only soft sand, don't land on it.
Come on, yeah, go down there. Yeah. Woo! Mommy can jump over here. Yay! Ouch! Yay! Oh, you didn't want to go there. Okay. Do you want to go here?